Okay. For our 8C pre-AP notes, I want to give you some rules for rhombuses and parallelograms that we didn't get to um, quite yet. And doing that will help you get these notes done. And I expect you to get these notes done tonight, and I will check them as homework tomorrow. Okay. So the rhombus, and I just put these in this section here at the bottom of the document there. You can copy these rules down either on this paper or another piece of paper or whatever. But a rhombus is a parallelogram. So it's going to follow all the rules that a parallelogram has. In addition to that, all the sides of a rhombus are equal. So all the sides are going to be equal to each other. All right. The diagonals are perpendicular to each other. So the diagonals are going to make 90-degree angles here. I know the picture's a little off, but that's going to be a 90-degree angle all the way around here. And lastly, the diagonals bisect each angle, which means these two angles are congruent to each other, and these two angles are going to be congruent to each other, and then this blue one is going to be equal to that blue one, which is equal to that blue one, and it's equal to that blue one. Okay, so all the same rules of a parallelogram with the alternate interiors and diagonals bisecting each other and the opposite angles being equal and all that other stuff. This is stuff that is in addition to it. If the parallelogram is a rhombus, okay, all sides are equal, diagonals perpendicular, and the diagonals bisect each angle. So that should take care of a rhombus. All right. Rectangle is a little bit easier. Again, here's something you write either on the bottom of the sheet or somewhere else. Okay. Rectangle is a parallelogram. Again, it follows all the rules from a parallelogram from our 8A notes. Now, the angles of a rectangle are all going to be 90 degrees. So these big angles here are all going to be 90 degrees. There. And the diagonals are equal to each other. So we learned before that, in a parallelogram, diagonals bisect each other, right? So these two things equal each other, and these two things equal each other, right? Now, since the diagonals are equal, all right, so from W to Y equals V to X, and the diagonals still bisect each other because it's still a parallelogram, what's going to happen is all four of these little pieces will equal each other, okay? Just don't forget about the information we have off to the side here on both the rhombus and the rectangle. And this is our work for today during our flex day, and it will be checked as homework tomorrow. Any questions, please stop in.